Hello students, we hope you have done with all your exercise and your thoughts and everything we have done with. Now some more topics, very important topics on the basis of experiments we are having, like predict the ones digit. We have to only tell the one digit. If the question is coming like 2 to the power 17, then it will be a very tedious job to multiply 2 17 times and get the answer, because they are asking for only the one digit. So there is no need to multiply 2 17 times. Some pattern we will see here. See, for 2 to the power 1 is how much? 2. 2 to the power 2 is how much? 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 7 is 128 and 2 to the power 8 is 256. Now you can see, only we are talking about one digit. Just see, check the one digit. What number we are having in the one digit? We are having 2, 4, 8, then 6. Right? Then again we got 2, 4, 8, 6. Can you see the same pattern we are getting? 2, 4, 8, 6. 2, 4, 8, 6. So after 4 terms, it is again repeated. It is again repeated. So for every number we are getting some cycle. Like after 4, it is again repeated is there. So for 2 we have seen the cycle is of 4 terms. So after 4 again the repetition of same digits will be there in the ones place. For 3, in case of 3 also see 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 3 to the power 3 is how much? 27. So 7 in the ones place. Then 3 to the power 4 is 81. So ones place is what? 1. Then again it is repeated. After 4 terms it is again repeated 3971. Then again 3971. So it is also having the cycle of 4. But in case of 4 you see 4 to the power 1 is 4. 4 to the power 2 is how much? 16. So I have written here only 6 because we are writing about only the ones digit over here. Then 4 to the power 3 is how much? We are having 64. So it is ending by 4. Then again we are getting 6. So we can see 4, 6, 4, 6. So it is having a cycle of only 2. Means after every second term it is repeated. In case of 5, if we talk about 5 multiplied by 5 will give you 25. Then again multiplied by 5 will give you 125. Then you can see every time the answer is ending by 5 only. So it is having a cycle of 1. In case of 6 also we are having a cycle of 1. In case of 7 we are having a cycle of 4. In case of 8 we are having a cycle of 4. And in case of 9 again we are having a cycle of only 2. In case of 2 you can see here I am having the 2 sequence here. See 4 to the power 1 and 4 to the power 3. It is ending by 4. So we can also say that odd terms, if the power is odd, the number is ending by 4, and if the power is even, you can see here a to the power 2 is there and a to the power 4 is there. Means when 4 is having even power, then it is ending by 6. Right? So this pattern we will use to solve these questions. See the first question what we are having. Power 17. 2 to the power 17 is there. So whatever power we are having, that power we have to divide by the cycle we are having. For 2, what is the cycle? We are having 4. So 17 divided by 4 will give you 4 for the 16. Remainder is 1. So whatever remainder is there, you can see here. What is the remainder? 1. So the number will end by 2. This number will end by 2. Now see, we are having second question as 3 to the power 22. What is exponent here? 22. 22. Now we have to divide 22 by the cycle. What is the cycle we are having? 4 again. 4 5s are 20. What is the remainder here? 2. So what is the power here? 2. 2 is the remainder, means the number will end by 9. This number will end by 9. See in case of 5. case of 5, the cycle is 1. So how many times, whatever the power is there for 5, it will always end by 5 only. Right? In case of 4 to the power 287. What is the cycle we are having? 2. And I have told you in case of this only we can see every odd power is ending by 4 and every even power is ending by 6. So see, it is odd or even? 287 is what? It is odd. So number should end by what? It should end by only 4, right? Now in case of 6 to the power 3512. See, the power is so much. If you multiply, it will, your paper will be finished, but you will not be able to get the answer in. So best way is 6 to the power 3512 will give you how much? 6 only, because if you multiply 6 any number of times, the answer will be ending by 6 only. In case of 9, 9 to the power 469. What 9 is having? It is having the odd cycle of 2. And you can see when it is having odd power, then it is ending by 9. And when it is having even power, it is ending by 1. So what is this number? Again it is odd and it should end by which number? It should end by 9. Okay? Now see some more questions. Now you are getting a question like predict the ones digit. After solving this, just predict the only ones digit. 276 to the power 254 minus 156 to the power 318. Then again here you just focus on the ones digit. What is the ones digit here? 6. And in 6 you know whatever the power is, it will end by 6 only. So this 276 to the power 254 will end by which digit? 6 only. I am talking only about the ones digit. Okay, then again here 156 is there and whatever the power is there for 6, the number will end by 6 only. So 6 minus 6 is equal to how much? 0. So 0 will be the unit place after solving this question. So we don't have to solve it down, right? Now see, if we are having the question like 3412 to the power 439 minus 2569 to the power 352. Again, we will focus only on the ones place because they are asking for only ones place. 2 to the power 439. And for 2, we know what is the order? 4. So we will divide this power by 4. 4 ones are 4. And then 3 will go for 0. 4 nines are 36. The remainder is how much? 3. So for 3, if the remainder is 3, the number will end by 8. So it will end by 8. Fine. Minus. Again here last digit is what? 9. For 9, what is the order or cycle? That is 2. And the power is 352. In case of 9, we have seen that whenever it is having the even power, it is ending by what? Which number? It is ending by 1. So 8 minus 1, that is 7. So after solving this, the unit place will be 7 only. Okay? Yes, now see some other questions. Suppose you are having the question as 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 192 and you have to find the value of x. Find value of x. So you can see here 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x will give you how much? 3 times 2 to the power x, right? Or you can write 3 into 3 times 2 to the power x is equal to 192 means 2 to the power x is equal to how much? 192 divided by 3. When you cancel, what answer you get? 3 6 are 18 and 3 4 are 12. 64. 2 to the power x is equal to 64. And you all know what is 64? 64 is 2 to the power 6. And equating the powers, you will get x equal to 6. Okay. Yes, now see the next question. 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 750. Then we can see here what we can take it out as common. We can take out 5 to the power x as common. What is left with? We have taken out 5 to the power x outside, so what is left with? 1 plus. This is plus, so here plus will come. 5 to the power x we have taken out, so what is left with? 5 to the power minus 1 is left with. Is equal to 750, which implies what we are having 5 to the power x, and here you will get 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 will give you how much? 1 upon 5. It will be equal to again 750, which implies 5 to the power x. When you take the LCM, what you will get? 5 plus 1. That is 6 equal to 750, which implies 5 to the power x multiplied by 6 upon 5 will give you how much? 750. That implies 5 to the power x is equal to 750 multiplied by 5 and divided by 6. When you divide by 6, what answer you get? 6 ones are, 6 twos are, and 6 5s are. 125 into 5 means that is 625, or we can say it is 5 to the power 4. Right? 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power 4, which implies x is equal to what? X is equal to 4, equating the powers you get x is equal to 4 only. Yes, now see the next question we are having. 2 to the power 3x is equal to 8 to the power 2x plus 1. We know that to get the value of x, we have to first make the base equal. So we can make the base equal how? 2 to the power 3x is equal to, what is 8? 8 is 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2x plus 1 will give you how much? 2 to the power 3x is equal to, you know that power and to the power will get multiplied. So what answer will get? 2 to the power 3 to the 6x plus 3. Now we can equate, both are having the same base, so we can equate the powers. So we got 3x is equal to 6x plus 3, which is equal to 6x minus 3x will give you how much? Minus 3, which implies 3x is equal to minus 3. That implies x is equal to how much? X is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now see the next question. If a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 2, then find the value of a to the power b plus b to the power a. Now how you will solve? Just put the value of a and b here. What is a? A is minus 1 to the power b. What is b? 2 plus. What is b? 2. And what is a here? Minus 1. So we have just put the value of a and b here. So what answer you get? Minus 1 to the power 2 will give you how much? 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 will give you how much? 1 upon 2. That is equal to, LCM will go for 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon 2. Okay. Then see here again, for this also we just have to put the value. What is a? Minus 1 to the power 2 minus, what we have to do? B is 2 to the power minus 1, which will be equal to minus 1 to the power 2 will give you how much? 1 minus 1 upon 2. So again LCM is 2. 2 minus 1. So your answer is 1 upon 2. Okay? Yes. Now see, in this third part we are having is a to the power b multiplied by b to the power a. Again we will put the value. For this, what answer you get? A is minus 1 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 square is how much? 1 only. And it will be multiplied by 1 upon 2. So your answer is how much? 1 upon 2. In here we have to divide. So again minus 1 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 1. That is equal to again 1 divided by 1 upon 2, which is equal to 1 into 2, that is 2 only. Okay? Yes, now see the next question. Question number 5. Find the value of f to the power minus 3 if x is equal to 100 to the power 1 minus 4 divided by 100 to the power 0. See, we are having this. What we are having? Divided by 100 to the power 0. So, 100 to the power 1 minus 4 will give you how much? 100 to the power minus 3, and divided by 100 to the power 0 will give you how much? 1. Right? So, x is equal to, we got 100 to the power minus 3. But the question is asking for what value? F to the power minus 3. So, we can do one thing. We can do one operation both the side. We can go for x to the power minus 3 here will be equal to 100 to the power minus 3 whole to the power what? Minus 3 only. We can do operation on both the sides, then equality sustained, right? So, what answer you get? 100 to the power. Minus 3 into minus 3. Because power to the power is there. So, minus 3 into minus 3. So, you will get 100 to the power. 3 3 is 9 and negative will give you positive. So, your answer is x to the power minus 3 is equal to this much. Okay? Now, next question we are having is 1 upon 5 4 to the power 45 multiplied by 1 upon 5 4 to the power minus 60 minus 1 upon 5 4 to the power 28 multiplied by 1 upon 5 4 to the power minus 43. So, this will be equal to what? 1 upon 5. Both are having the same base. So, power, because multiplication is there, power will get added. 45 plus minus 60, which is again minus 1 upon 5 to the power. Here also base is same. So, 28 plus minus 43. Right? So, what you will get? 1 upon 5 to the power. 45 minus 60 will give you how much? Minus 50 minus 1 upon 5 to the power. 28 minus 43. 28 minus 43 again will give you only minus 50. Right? Both are having same base. Both are having same power. So, answer will be 0 only because both answer will be same only. Okay? Now see the next question we are having. 4 upon 13 to the power 4 multiplied by 13 upon 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 upon 4 to the power 3. We can see here we are not having the bases same. Even powers are not same. So how to solve these type of questions? We have, but we can see 4 is also here and 4 is here. So we can separate it on. What we can do? We can make numerator and denominator separate with their powers. Multiplied by 13 to the power 2 multiplied upon 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 cube upon 4 cube. Now, we can see 4 to the power 4 is there and 4 to the power 3 is there. Means what we got? It is in division. So, 4 to the power 4 minus 3 because power will be subtracted if we are having the same base. In case of 7 also we can see power is 3 and power is 2. So, and it is in division. So, 3 minus 2 upon 13 to the power 4 and 13 to the power 2 is there. So, 13 to the power 4 minus 2. We have taken it down. So, what answer you get? 4 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1 upon 13 to the power 2. That is 7 4 is 28 and 13 square is how much? 169. Okay. Now these all questions we have done, some important questions, some different questions from the book what we have got in. Okay. Thank you. Do your well preparation for your next NTSC also.